Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ingat-ingat kay ni Mikay. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye! Press it. Okay, press mo.
Hello, sis. Kumusta ka na? Hey, Alma.
Ate Alma.
Gigrit.
Birthday, isa-isa.
Happy birthday, sis.
Diba? Ano? Bilang ka muna. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sige na ba?
Oh, yan na.
Hindi, bilang mo. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you on this special day. With joy in our hearts we sing and say, you're a shining star in every way. Happy birthday to you. Let's celebrate today. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. We wish you all the joy and cheer. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Press Alma. More birthday to come. Wish you all the best in life. Hope all your wishes come true. Happy birthday.
Hi Alma, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health. Pag kailangan mo ng kausap, karamay, dito lang ako. Lagi kitang sasamahan. Yun lang. God bless.
Hi, Press. Good morning. Anyway, it's your birthday, and what can I say? I wish you a happy birthday. And, alam mo na lahat yung wish ko para sa'yo. So, sana, walang magbago at, andyan ka palagi para sa lahat. Happy birthday, and I love you. Enjoy your special day. Thank you so much. See you.
Hi, Tres. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish you a good health and more power to you. And always keep safe. Dito lang kami palagi ni Aronya sa'yo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tres.
Happy birthday, Press! More blessings to come! Press, happy birthday. Thank you po sa lahat, especially sa mga tulong, advices mo. Gusto ko yung the way na kumilos ka. You always one step ahead. So, thank you po. Magpakatatag tayo. And kaya natin po lahat yun. And once again, happy birthday!
Hello, Press Alma. Happy birthday from FCTR. Yan. More blessings to come. Sana you have a good heart. Always. Hi, Press Alma. Happy birthday. Sana sa barbecue dito ka. Wala eh. Pero greetings for me. Ella. Kami rin isa. Thanks.
Hi, Press Alma. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. I love you. Mwah. Mwah.
Hello, Press Alma. Maraming salamat sa pagsasama natin sa ARFCLC. Happy birthday and more blessing, good health to you.
Ate Alma, happy birthday. More blessings and more birthday to come. God bless always. Love you, Ma.
Okay na? Hi Alma, happy birthday. God bless you always and continue to what you have done. Now and onwards, just stay cool and good health always. God bless you always, Alma, and your family. Thank you so much for everything.
Hi Alma. I just want to say, ang ingay niya. Anyway, gusto ko lang sabihin na happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come. I just want you to be happy and healthy.
Happy birthday, Miss Alma, and congratulations sa katatapos lang nating event.
Happy birthday, Alma. I will miss you.
Happy birthday. Wishing you the best in life and happiness, of course, love. May this next year bring you more blessings. Happy birthday. Game.
President Alma, I wish you a very happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat na mga mabubuting gawain na palagi mong inaalay para sa Filipino community. At maraming salamat din for being a good friend to the embassy and for being a good friend to all of us. We wish you all the best. I wish you all the best sa iyong birthday. At sana marami ka pang birthday na isi-celebrate sa iyong buhay. Mahal ka namin. Thank you so much.
Sa pinakamabait, sa isa sa mga pinakamabait at pinakamagalang at I don't know what to say, but you're one of the most wonderful people here that I've come to know, and I'm very happy to have met you. And nagpapasalamat ako sa buhay mo. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na ginagamit kanya to lead the Filipinos here para maging mas disiplinado, mas matino at mas maging mabait sa isa't isa. And for your birthday, I just wish you nothing but happiness and everything you deserve, Your Honor. So happy birthday, Madam Press. Ingat!
Happy birthday, Alma! Happy birthday, Alma! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Alma! I just want to thank you, Alma. Thank you very much for your leadership. You inspire me and you inspire my colleagues in the embassy and the community with your hard work, with your commitment to our community. I know it's been hard work. It's not been easy for the past 6 months. We have had some challenges in the community, but with your effervescence, with your can-do spirit, and with your commitment to the welfare of our Filipino community, these things we are able to solve together. I am sad to see you go as president of the All Russia Filipino Community Leaders Council. Maybe in next year she will become president again, but I just want to congratulate you and to thank you for being the first president of the All Russia Filipino Community Leaders Council. Maraming salamat at magkikita pa tayo. At alam ko na kahit wala ka na sa pwesto, ay adya ka pa rin para tumulong because hindi naman pwesto importante. Ang importante yung pagsisilbi. So bravo Alma, maraming salamat at muli happy birthday.